Right, it's 7:05 on the 1st of October, Monday, and I want to film the sunrise, take some pictures, okay? Don't know if you can see, but up there's the moon. Right, Cortana on Windows 10 said the sun had rise at 7:09. Well, it's 7:09 now. The dog's shaking, he's cold. There's a frost. Should be here any minute. Hey, goodbye. Hey, should have put a coat on you. We dashed out, didn't we? We'll be back in a minute. You're a goodbye, aren't you? Hey. No, wait. Well, Cortana was seriously wrong. It's now 13 minutes past. Is it Rose? Is it behind them clouds? Keep the dog moving, he's freezing. It's not fair. Come on, let's go for a walk. Not fair on the dog, he's cold. That's Windows 10 Cortana. Got the sunrise wrong. I said it would rise at 9 minutes past 7. It's now 7:15 and it's still not rose. Right, I'm heading to a different location to see if I can see it better, or it's rose by the time we get there, but the dog's cold, need to keep moving like I've said. Rose, but it's behind them clouds. Right, well, we're at the location. The sun's rose. It's behind the clouds. So we're going to head home. Oh, he's done a poo. Kicking his little feet. Frost on the floor. Right, okay, that was a big dirty mark on my lens that I can see. Didn't know that was on, but this has been, come on, this has just been a video of me trying to get the sunrise. So it's the 1st of October. October is going to be an awesome month. I'm going to do loads of epic stuff. I'm going to go for a bike ride after. That'll be on my other channel. I'll put a link to the end. And now I'm going to stick it back on and finish the walk off. Right, thanks for watching. Come on. Oh, there we are. We've got the sunrise. Let's get over here. Come on. There we go. Look how big it looks. Keep on walking, get further around there. Well, it looked like I jumped the gun a bit, but it's now 7:22. Car timer said it rolls at 7:09. Completely wrong. So now I know it rolls today 7:22. So if I go out any other days I can use that time. But look at that. Absolutely mint. Get some photos of it. Go down here. Come on, don't be sniffing. This way, son. Wait there. So I did get it after all. So mix up the times. Ryan, wait there. Ryan, look. Ryan, stay. Stay. Ryan. Look, what have I got? Bits. Ah. There we go, we have the sunrise on the 1st of October 2018. Right, let's get rid of this poo bag and head back home. Right, okay, I'm going to end it here. So, I'll just do a quick pan of the graveyard. Right, okay, thanks for watching, like I said before. Bye.